the picture like Kangana Ranaut is also there. So she's promoting the Liva. Something related to the fabric clothes. Okay. Some brand. Okay, it's a brand. A new brand that has been launched in India.
Young, more fresh. As I see the colors, I find it a fresh ad. It's not depressing. Like it's something that I would like to read because
Kangana Ranaut. She's looking really nice. Like the style is really different, the hair and all. I don't think so. I've seen such flowery kind of one piece anyone wearing like that.
that's what your eyes
Oh, there?
I don't like this font.
Okay.
It's kind of difficult to read. Good fashion.
More about fabric. I'm promoting more about good fabric mostly.
What are these?
Because they have written natural fluid fabric, so I'm mostly promoting about good fabrics.
Okay.
One is fashion, and second because of the color of the background, I felt like maybe a sanitary napkin.
It's so nice, but I mean, it's like what she's wearing is really fluid. I can see it's fluid, but it's just one color, so probably it could be a better color. You can see drops, like on. You see drops over here. I've seen this. It's like a paint. It's because of the fluidity.
I did notice the last time when I was like roaming around in the shops and stuff.
Yeah, as I said, the colors are quite lively. I would.
Yeah, I'm sure.
The only reason I was stopping here is to understand what's written. Okay. Maybe if you had written natural fluid fabric in larger letters, that would make it more better.
If it is something like Kangana Ranaut or Marina, I read. Okay. I want to know what it about.
Yeah, it is attractive. I just feel the background color should be
Not really, like as I said, it's very bland. Probably some pop of color or maybe just another kind of outfit probably or no.
Yeah, I did. Okay. I already did. Just the illustration, the overall creative approach of that, which is the outfit. Yeah. Okay. First thing that comes is the paint thing. Outfit. Yeah, the outfit. Then the face, and then the brand.
Sure, with an easy flow and with comfort and I mean with ease that you try to wear. Like you don't have to be in the restrictions of that fashion. You can have it of your own. Yeah. The language that has been used, like the catchy phrase, experience the fluid fashion that got made. Kangana Ranaut, the celebrity.
The poster, obviously, it's quite nice. Kangana, obviously, the way she's been posterized and then the entire fashion.
You mean the dress?
Yeah.
I guess the dress and the way she's, posing and all. Yeah. I guess I saw the name that is Liva.
And is there anything you missed?
Yes, fluid fashion or something. So,
You didn't look at it first.
No, I just thought it's a thing. Okay, now I get it.
Okay. So who's that?
Dresses which are see Kangana. You saw Kangana. Liva, it's written right on it.
Okay. It was just about fabric. I was like, I wanted to know what it is about.
And any ad, if you see, you will first read the name of the brand clothing.
So you looked at Liva first.
Yeah.
Okay, and then?
Who's promoting it,
So you looked at the model.
and then the code that they mentioned.
Which is?
Natural fluid fabric or the experience fluid fashion.
And then probably what she is wearing and what is written over there.
It is something different, like
what is
it is a little like a hair short and it's something different because nowadays when we see, I mean it's fluid and it could have been younger, like if your target audience is younger, a younger target would not be like go fresh, probably like a pink or like blue, like the colors you've used here. It's very modern, it's very, I don't know, it's ruffled but it has a structure to it.
Western wear, that is what I know, but I don't know. And how which it would be like perfectly like natural or that they are talking about.
For fabric. Any natural fabric?
Probably fancy, maybe even lifestyle.
Okay. The fabric, right, of the dress or
some brand that's having some really nice fabric.
Something fluid for the fabrics. I think it's just a liquid for taking care of your clothes. Liquid brand.
Dresses, short dresses. I know the concept, I know this fabric.
Oh, you know about it?
Yeah, and has it right. And this brand has it.
Maybe only dresses. Something that probably fits into your body, which is very sleek.
It's Liva. It's written right.
Viva and Aditya Birla.
You're talking about Aditya Birla.
Viva. I've never seen the brand. I've never noticed it maybe.
I guess the normal tees or some t-shirts and all. Sorry. Normal t-shirts or the jeans that make people comfortable, and it's really like, and it's the trend like currently, and that's the best comfort.
It's flowy, it's not something that would stick to your skin, I think.
Maybe the type of the clothes is really comfortable, like mostly natural fabric.
I think fluid fashion should be comfortable. It should be something that doesn't stick on your body but allows you enough movement. Palazzos, maxi dresses, loose silhouettes, nothing like tight. Probably like jumpsuits.
I don't think the copy is, it's communicating what it's supposed to do.
The text you.
Yeah. I'm still not understanding the concept behind fluid fashion. I think I'm not able to visualize what it actually means.
They might assure me that they have, for say, used 100% cotton in the dress material.
Loose, it's sticking to my skin, something which is white. Because white is always, it reflects light. It's not something that would collect heat.
Sure.
So it gives you that air.
And wear something like, a very normal cotton wear, one piece kind of stuff, like when you just go out and it's like very comfortable. Like you're not looking at yourself 10 times, like is it good, right?
As I said, falling, silky, palazzos, maxi dresses, loose silhouettes, nothing like tight. Probably like jumpsuits.
Fashion.
Something like lifestyle pantaloons, Big Bazaar. If I'm not, I'm not quite sure because I never.
Yeah, like all
Outlet, like if it's here, of course, maybe or somewhere.
Pantaloons?
yeah.
Any other stuff?
I have never seen a person follow for them.
In all the malls, lifestyle, because I go there every time. At all the brands in
Yeah. Store lifestyle,
Stores like Lifestyle, Westside.
It looks like something like a fluid consistency of.
Can you name like what kind of fluid?
It's like the liquid, like it's not even the solid, it's not even something like perfect. Like,
So what about?
it's like it's comfortable in everywhere or something like.
Looks like milk.
Yeah. What about with the Dove?
Okay.
Dove soap and something like made of that.
Why? Splashed out. The fabric is very soft and the drops and
It's just splashing. Something to do with blue aqua. Okay.
Looking at the liquid, it looks like it's milk or something.
maybe